sister, you for Igbo tribe. Igbo tribe are blessing, oh. I'm telling you, they will bless you.
Ibe kaka anyị nọ tata ndewo nu. Welonu mu malamu. Onwe onye nchọ ka anyị gee ntị. Onye abakpa. Onwe ife okwu gbasịlị ndị abakpa bewe. Ọbịa kwu gbasịlị ndị ugwu. Ga-ekwusi ya bụ okwu, ọbịa jizi ndị Igbo wee kwucha ya bụ okwu. Nchọ ka ya nụnụnụ ka anyị gee ntị. Mbepụ nke ndị ugwu ọ dị na mkpa. Mụnụ mmadụ ya onwe ife ndị afọ akpọ. Ife nchọ okwu maka 3 tribes wa bụ eziokwu nke bụ eziokwu. Mana ọ ga-asọ m kunu gee ntị ife o ji ọnụ a wee kwu maka ndị bewe bịa ji ọnụ a wee kwu maka ndị be anyị maka ndị na-ekwu nke bụ eziokwu wanụ wadị ezomọnụ wee kwu eziokwu. Ọ bụ na isoge ndị abakpa nọdụ ife anyị chọrọ ige ntị ị ga-ama na eziokwu dọ. Ọ bụ na so n'iso ndị abakpa nọ adị m ekwu n'iso walụ n'ọfịs mba m na-ekwu na ị nọ na street na-azụ afịa dịka anyị bụ ndị ọ bụ n'ọlụ aka nke anyị ka anyị alụ. Ọ bụ na ige ntị ife nche okwu bụ eziokwu okwu maka ndị Igbo abụkwa na-asị eziokwu dọ. Genu ntị tiezi ife bụ obi na comment section.
Nigerians, I want you to listen to me and I want you to understand this. I want you to learn this for free. I'm giving you for free. If you're a businessman, you want to start up a business, okay, I want to tell you the people, the tribe that you need that will grow your business, that will encourage your business. I'm telling you, they will skyrocket your business. I want to tell you, I'm telling you these things for free. You should know. Many of you may even understand this, but I want to tell you personally based on my own experience because I'm a businessman. See, let me tell you one thing. Though we have 3 tribes in Nigeria, I'm going to tell you their character towards businesses. You understand? Or when you have these tribes, this major tribe we have in Nigeria has a customers, I want to tell you their attitude towards you or towards that business you start up if you have them as a customers. Number 1, if you have a Yoruba man or you have Yorubas and they are majority as your customers patronizing your business, bro, madam, that business will not grow. It will not grow. That business will never grow. Don't ever pray that your customer, majority of your customer to be Yoruba. That business will not grow. Because number 1 thing, I'm going to tell you the 2 characters or 3 characters Yoruba has. When Yoruba are coming to patronize you, you understand? They are not coming with a joyful mind with you. They are not coming with a heart to encourage your business to grow. They are just coming to see, to weight your size of your business. They are coming to test your response, your attitude and everything. They don't pray for that business to grow. Yoruba will be patronizing you at the same time to be ruling you in your own business. They want to govern you. They want you to give them full respect and allow their lackadaisical attitude towards your business. So in that case, they are not helping or encouraging your business. The moment you see any word to a Yoruba person coming to patronize your business, always the moment you utter any word of disrespectful or any other things, see, that is the period your business should be falling. Most especially if you have this Yoruba as majority who are patronizing your business, they will be poisoning other Yoruba's hearts. I'm telling you. And forget Yoruba will be praying for you and your business will go. It's a lie. Their mind is even. These people are naturally programmed to be even. Yoruba people. Their relationship or their action and reaction towards anything that want to move in progress or proceed is always negative. I'm a Yoruba person. My name is Tosin. Olubome Tosin. You understand? I have a business here in the Middle Belt. Okay. In the Middle Belt here. I have a business here in the Middle Belt. And I never pray that Yoruba should be the person that will be patronizing me. Because I know their character. I know their havens. And they will never encourage you. Not that they don't have money. I'm not saying that they don't have money to pay or this or that. No. I'm not saying all those things. I'm just saying this is their attitude towards every business they see. As a customer, they will never encourage your business to grow. As a businessman or entrepreneur, they will never encourage you to grow. Now let me tell you about Igbo. If you have a business, you started a business today, and Igbo, 5 Igbo are patronizing you, came to patronize you, my brother, that business will go far. That business will progress. See, you don't even need to go mountain for mountain, prayer house to prayer. Igbos are blessing on their own. When Igbos come, when you see an Igbo man, Igbo woman coming to patronize your business, they are blessing on their own. I'm telling you, I have a business. I won't tell you the business I have, okay? But I have a business here in the Middle Belt. See, these Igbo people are blessings to you. In fact, it's just like the way God said to the people of Israel that you are a blessing to others. They are a blessing. When you see a Igbo coming to patronize you, your business will grow. I'm telling you, even though you are selling corn, anything you are doing, and you have you now have Igbo as a majority. See, 5 years you become a millionaire. I'm telling you. Because one thing, they respect your business. And secondly, they are natural, a blessing. You see, anything debt and even mind, no. It's not in Igbo character. When Igbo give you 100 naira as a business, maybe he or she came to your shop and bought something of 100 naira. That 100 naira is a blessing that will generate 1,000 naira. I'm telling you. This one is spiritual things among them. It will develop another things that will become. Now when I will develop another thing that will become 1,000 naira. They are blessed naturally. So pray if you want to have a business and you want the tribe that will be at least patronizing you mostly. My brother, my sister, look for Igbo tribe. Igbo tribe are blessing you. I'm telling you, they will bless you and make your business to grow. Make your business to grow. If you don't get Igbo, try look for Hausa. We get money, we rich. At least they get, we be those allergy, we get things. Yes, pray. But you see Yoruba, both the